So hello everyone, welcome back to the new video. So this video is all about the Deloitte welcome kit. Today only I received it. So first of all, I'll tell you like how to apply. Once you will be onboarded, like first 2 days. After that, I think after 1 week you will receive one mail for ordering this welcome kit. So you have to fill all the details like the current address where you are currently staying, and that also like where you want to get that Deloitte kit. So you just need to fill those basic details, and it's been almost 14 to 15 days, and now it's here. So I would love to inbox this in front of all of you. So this is the box. Let's unbox it in front of all of you. Yeah. So this is how the kit looks like. Uh, it's Deloitte, and the launch is mentioned here, powered by Deloitte Leadership, Human Potential, and all that stuff. So let's open this. Okay, so this is the total stuff inside this. Uh, just put this on side. We have one this diary, and it comes with this pen. Okay, there is one holder here as well to hold this pen. Okay, so we will just keep this side. Uh, we have this bottle. It, the light is mentioned here. Okay, so yeah, quality is premier. It's a thermal one, so yeah, it's good. Only these three things are inside. Yeah, rest of you can see like nothing is inside. Yeah, so we will get only these three things. Let me show you again. So one bottle and this diary and one pen. Yeah, that's enough. So now I'll shoot some cinematic videos for this. Hope you will like it. So make sure to subscribe, and if you have any queries, yeah, already like I have seen a lot of comments on previous videos as well, and I replied almost all of them. So yeah, that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.